What's up guys, it's me Albert Ligaspi and welcome back to another mini short vlog. Charot! By the way guys, we are here now in Cadiz, Spain. This is my second time to visit here. It's a lot of people here and then tourist spots, so
Wow.
the weather here is so nice and
Oh
sunny, so sobrang
my
ganda
God.
while walking around here. And then after that one, going to the grocery to buy something. Makakain ko mamaya. And then, I'm planning to buy also my rose wine kasi I'm so thirsty now sa red wine. Naghahanap na ako. If you observe this one guys, nakita ko pala yung sungkiss ba to or what do you want, orange. Ang ganda kasi meron silang mga sungkiss dito or sungkiss charot. Hindi siya ka-sungkiss. So yun, napaka-historical background talaga ng Cadiz. So napapansin nyo dito, we have a mannequin pero real siyang totoong tao siya talaga. So ang ganda, napakaganda ng sinuot ni Madam Charot. Ayun nga po, natingnan nyo yung church nila, ang ganda din. Tapos si Kuya, so ayun, sobrang galing tumugtog ng violin or what, trumpet ba yun? Charot. Basta kung ano masasabi nyo, basta kung ano yan. Grabe. Wow, super nice. And then, salamat sa panonood pala.